Gabby, is JJ taking a ride with you? That's a nice beach wagon. Did you put that together? Oh, you want JJ? Okay, go on a ride. Yay! There she goes.
She's making muttering sound.
I know. Every time she gets on anything that moves, she goes.
Uh-oh.
Oh! Are you okay, sugar? Guess so. Pixel's very concerned. Pixel. Yay, big girl. Hold on. Pea brain.